Ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon or evening or morning, depending on your area. Today I'll tell you about a new malicious resource that spreads fake Apple Care Protection Plan alert. This resource is called com-scan-mac.xyz. I've made this website highlighted. However, it is not related to Apple at all. This website is the part of a typical online scam network that tries to attack many Mac computers all over the world in order to force you to download some potentially unwanted software. It is not really a virus that is suggested in such fake Apple Care alerts. However, it is not a good software either. Its only mission is to force you into wasting your money for nothing. So, you should disregard all these faulty notifications you see in these alerts. And if you mistakenly click on Scan Now button, you will be scared even more. If you fall into this scam, the pop-up will tell you that your Mac is infected with some of the world's most serious threats like TapSnake, Cron DNS, and Dubfish ICV Man. So unfortunately, some people were scared with such faulty alerts, and when they click on Remove Viruses Now button, they are immediately brought to the downloader of some dubious software, and it is called Clean Up My Mac. Well, it is not the program that is worthy your trust. You should disregard these alerts and you should not proceed with this installation. So, if you have installed that malicious software by mistake, you may check your Mac applications and remove the items that do not look familiar. Unfortunately, some adware programs attacking Macs may be hidden deep in the system, so I recommend that you scan your Mac with the program called Combo Cleaner, and you may use the website combocleaner.com to download this software. It's a cleaner specifically tailored for Mac computers. Combo Cleaner Antivirus, and the official website is combocleaner.com. So use this green download button and download Combo Cleaner. After you do that, start the program. It will update its antivirus database automatically. You should not interrupt that process. And after that is done, you need to click on Start Combo Scan button to check how clean your Mac is. Of course, you may do it with some other programs, for example with Malwarebytes for Mac, but the reviews of Combo Cleaner show and prove that it is really powerful software that may help you to repair all possible Mac related problems and to remove malware from Mac with the antivirus function available in the premium version, however. So, scanning your Mac with the powerful cleaner is definitely important if you want to maintain your Mac in a cleaner condition. I hope the video was helpful, so if it was, please like it and subscribe to my channel and stay tuned. All the best, bye.